training.tv. My name is Margaret. I'll be your broadcast engineer for today. Hope y'all are having a lovely day. Hello, Christian. How you doing? I heard the weather's great.
I'm doing fine, thanks.
Good. Glad to hear it. So, here we go. So we have this week of shenanigans. We're doing an MBS plugin Q&A with Christian Schmitz today, which would be really fun.
So maybe we start with some questions.
Okay. Oh, got a question from Buncac. I would like to use MBS to import images, Excel, zip text, and Word files with a single click and insert them into a repeating field at the next available position.
Is that a drag and drop thing to import, or is it a file dialog, or why do you need the plugin? Okay, let's say I just modified the drag and drop example. So let's say we have one record. Now this record needs to be changed to have repeating fields. Okay, let's remove this. We make field a repeating one. So let's see, storage. Oh yeah, here. Let's say 5. No, 6, 5. No. So other places. Well, this is just the first one, isn't it? Where is it here? Data. Show repetition 1 to 1. Okay. 1 to 5. Oh yeah, there it is. No. This is all a bit typical. Okay, so we have field here with 5 fields. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we drop a file here. We go to the script, and let's say we have our track action. We get a file. So we don't make a new record, but we would like to find the field, where I would say we probably need a little loop to find the first available. Or we make an if then else, I don't know. Loop, set variable index is 1. Index is $index plus 1. If is empty, field $index, exit loop if 1, and we put it into the field $index, and don't need that. Don't need email loading. Okay, so maybe like this. Do you spot an error? Otherwise, let's try. I need a picture. Where's my test pictures? I'm hunting for the pictures. I have test pictures. I have the test picture folder. Okay. Top 1 here. Oh, wait, this is not active. Set a drop. Yeah. Drop. Okay. 1. Oh. Oh, wait. Did I make it? Oh, yeah. I used index for both here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I made an endless loop. My mistake. Sorry. This $index is not a unique variable name. So let's say we only take the first file you drop here. So I drop a different file. Oh, I got a new record. Is there still a new record here? Oh, wait. Okay, try again. Okay, castle, yeah. You see, things seem to work. Yeah. So I hope this answers the question. And you just make a loop going over all the things, and yeah, we may add a thing that here, exit loop if $index is more than 5.
Would this be pretty much the same with a file dialog? Question mark.
Yeah, similar. Where is my file dialog? Files, file dialog. There's my file dialog. So here is a normal file dialog script. Copy, paste. So we don't need all these options. We copy the loop here. Yeah, we copy the loop. We remove the loop here and just say $. Oh, we need the path. Yeah, we need the path of the first file. This is here, get path $index. So we need a path for the first file, which would be 0. Okay, let's try again by making a new record. Now I need to run this to get a file open dialog. Picture, open. Nothing happens. Oh, delete all records. That's stupid. But this is live, you know.
Mm-hmm. Feature of bug shenanigans while things are live.
Yeah. So you see wonderful pictures. So it's just this little loop to find a free spot in the list and then put in the picture.
Someone asked if they can get the file. You only really added the loop to the file, right, I think? To your already existing demo files?
Yeah, the demo files come with the plugin, 600 demo files. It may take a week to check them out. Yeah.
There's a lot of them, yeah. We have a question about the thing from earlier, by the way, real fast, with the loop. Does the file dialog work with different file types? I would assume so. I don't see why it would only work with PNGs or
What's the file dialog? So is this. So we didn't set a file type here. So this works. This shows a dialog for all files. You can, of course, limit it to specific file types. And the drag and drop also just accepted all file types. Just read the file, whatever file it is, and put it in the field. Yeah, please try the plugin. If you have time for a conference, please come to one of the conferences.
Yes.
Like I will be at Full Access, well, if airplanes fly.
Yes.
I will also be at Elevate FM this year, looks like. So I'm coming to Toronto and Los Altos.
There we go, which will be fun.
The next, so in June. This is the next one I go. Yeah, if the airplanes fly, yeah.
There you go. All right, thank you so much, Christian. It's been awesome having you. Always good to see you. And thank you everyone for coming. And I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.